So you've submitted your claim, now what actually happens next? Because this is where a lot of people start to feel unsure, or even worried. Let's walk through what really happens after your claim is submitted, step by step. First, your claim goes through an initial review by the state or holding agency. They'll check if your form is complete and if all required documents are included. If anything is missing or unclear, this is usually where delays begin. Next comes verification. This is where they confirm that you're legally entitled to the funds. They may review things like your identity, your connection to the property or funds, supporting documents you submitted. In some cases, they may request additional documentation. And this is important, many claims don't get approved right away. You might receive a request for more information or corrections. This doesn't mean your claim is denied, it just means they need more to move forward. Once everything is verified and approved, your claim moves into processing. This is where the agency prepares the release of funds. At this stage, it's mostly a matter of timing and internal processing. Finally, once your claim is approved, the funds are issued directly by the state, county, or agency holding the money. This payment does not come from a third-party service, it comes from the official source. In most cases, payment is sent by check, although some agencies may offer direct deposit or other payment options. The exact method depends on the agency handling your claim. Overall, this process can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. One of the biggest reasons claims get delayed is incomplete or incorrect documentation. Even small details can slow things down. That's why understanding the process and staying on top of each step really matters. Because once your claim is submitted, it's not just about waiting. It's about making sure everything continues moving forward the right way. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to follow, like, and share so you don't miss the next one. And feel free to comment any topics you'd like us to cover next.